In today's video, I'm going to give you a copy and paste method where you can earn $100, $150 per day with affiliate marketing for beginners, and it's free. It's a free step-by-step tutorial in 2021. And I'm going to be giving you another free traffic method. Now, you'll want to watch till the end, because if you don't do this right, you'll get banned and you'll get your account cancelled. So watch till the end. Now, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos. All right, so the website is called Yahoo Answers. Very, very underrated and a great source of traffic. Let me just go over here to, well, I'm here already, SimilarWeb. Now, if you have a look at SimilarWeb, it tells you the number of visits, how long people are there for, page visits. And if you go down here, it shows you, now I'm in Australia, so it shows you the top countries, United States, and what the share is. Now, if you have a look over here, 31% of the visitors that come to Yahoo Answers are from the United States. So they're what we call tier 1 countries. Tier 1 countries. And that's what you want to target, because they're the people that got the money and they're the people that will spend. So we'll just go over here to Yahoo Answers. It's pretty straightforward. If you haven't got an account, just set up an account. You'll need to put a phone number in to validate your account when it's set up. Very straightforward. I've just done this. It's a new account. The next thing we're going to need is a product to promote. So we can either get that product from, say, ClickBank. ClickBank's one of the oldest affiliate network on the internet, and it doesn't really matter what the platform is, as long as it pays and things like that. There are some countries that can't get an account at ClickBank, so you could go over here to another one which is very similar to ClickBank. This was very big in Europe and has now moved out into the United States as well. So Digistore24. There are others as well, like a Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, CJ. CJ is probably not one you would start on if you're new. So, ClickBank, Digistore24, Warrior Plus, or JV Zoo. And then we're going to choose a product. All right, so now that we're set up for an account, we come over to the marketplace, or you can go to the marketplace at Digistore, whichever platform you want to use. And as you can see, there are many, many categories. In each of those categories, there are thousands of products. Now, what I suggest is that you go for in three categories that really are evergreen products, and that is health, wealth, and relationships. People are always wanting to earn more money. They're concerned with their health, and most people are concerned with relationships. And inside of each of these, I'll just open, say, the health and fitness. Inside of this category, you have all these other subcategories when it decides to open. And as you can see, you've got even different languages. And so you just go through here, and when you signed up for your account, you would have been given a nickname, which is what you use when you click on the promote button. So we're going to go through here and choose a product. And this, I'm not saying this product works. I'm just going to choose a product so I can demonstrate to you how you can do it. And what we look for is how successful the product has been. So look, you can see here we've got addiction, beauty, dental health, dietary supplements, diet and weight loss, exercise, general, and when you click on that, it would open up into more, meditation, men's health, mental health. There'll be women's health as well. So I also would suggest that we don't get something that's going to sell for $300, $400, $500, because these people are new. We want to get something that, say, sells for $80, $90, and something that you're going to make $30 or $40 commission on, because these people are what we call cold traffic, and it takes time sometimes to build up what we call know, like, and trust. And if you think back, when you buy something, you buy from people that you know, like, and trust, or at least some level of that. And we look here, we see the custom keto diet. That fits our, parameters. It sells well. It's got a gravity of 400 odd, and it pays around $45. Now, if we go across to another website called Google Trends, I sometimes like to have a look here, and so it's still, it's still up and down trending. It's still a product, or it's still a category that people search for. What Google Trends is, it looks at the trends of of searches that people make in Google. So we're going to promote, as I said, the custom keto diet, and in a moment I'm going to show you the smart way to do this so you don't get banned, obviously, and also where to get content, because it's all copy and paste. This method is all about copy and paste. So now, when you signed up, as I said, you were given a nickname, and so you click on the promote button. You then just click on the generate hop link. Now, you can, if you're going to be doing this from multiple sources of traffic, you might say Yahoo as a tracking link, just to differentiate, so you know where, when the sales come through, where you're getting the traffic from. So then you just click on generate hop links. So this long link here, this ugly looking thing, is your affiliate link. And when you promote this, people come to this. That's what identifies you as the affiliate. When they make a sale, that's what identifies the sale to you. So it's paying $45 on average. So that sometimes depends. That they might have an upsell or a downsell. A downsell is where they might go to leave and they give them a special offer where they might reduce the price. An upsell is where they purchase the product, and then they may offer them something over and above that. They may offer some diet plans or some diet recipes for an extra. Because, when someone buys something, that's the ideal time to offer them something else, because a portion of them will buy them. So that's what I mean on an average. So if you were to make 2 to 3 sales of this a day, that you would be making your $100 to $150 a day. And then we go to our new traffic source, which is Yahoo Answers. Now, just remember, I said if you do this wrong in Yahoo Answers, they'll ban you. They'll block your account and they'll ban you. So you need to watch to the end, not to miss a step, to know what to do so that you don't do that. Because if this is going to be your traffic source, you don't want to lose your traffic source, do you? So watch it till the end and just follow the step by step. It's a copy and paste method for affiliate marketing for beginners. And as a beginner, I can understand you want to just get in and shortcut and get it done. But I implore you, wait till the end so that you don't miss any of it. Now, before we start promoting our product, we're going to require a landing page. So we're going to do this for free as well. So I'll give you 2 sites. So you can use a website called Google Sites, where you just go over here, just do a Google search for Google Sites. It'll bring it up, and you need to be logged into your Google account. And then you'll go on here and click on the create a new account, the plus symbol. Another one that I've only recently discovered and I haven't used, but if you want to have a look, feel free to do so. It's called Webnode, webnode.com, where you can create your own website there for free. But today we're just going to be using Google Sites. And in a moment I'll show you where you can get the content for your site, which will be copy and paste. So in a moment I'll cover that. These are very easy to set up. So here you just put in your title, and what we're going to use is we just want a simple one page. You want to add a text box. You just add that there. If you want to add an image, and what we'll do, we'll go to Google to find images find images for the product or keto diet. So you'd be looking for people that look healthy. So you can see, you upload your images, you can move them around. It's a really simple site to use. And then when you name it at the end, you will put your title name in here. At the moment it's untitled, so keto diet, you might call this keto diet tips, keto diet reviews. something along those lines, because you want to use a keyword. So here's where we're going to get our content. We're over here at a website called eZine Articles. And what we can do, you can have a look through all the different categories. There's one for health and fitness, and you could look through there, or you could just do a search. I'll get rid of that. You can see I've just typed in keto rather than keto diet, because I keep it broad and it'll bring up more topics. And then what you do is you open these up, you have a look through them. Are you right for the keto diet? Click on that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste. Really simple. Copy and paste. Now we might have a look through. So what is keto? We might do that. And then we'll go back and paste that. And what we'll do is we'll go through 3 or 4 articles and copy different parts of it, go through, reformat it. So you might want to highlight that and bold it, increase the text size a bit. Let's say to play around with it, make it look, pretty, and insert some images. Now, I said to get images off Google. A lot of the affiliate products on ClickBank have got a resources or a JV page where they'll supply you with images that you can use. Go there, choose them, and it makes it look really, really appealing. And so you're going to have a great content, because you've gone and got it from eZine Articles, which is a website that ranks pretty well because people love to write articles. So you spend a bit of time formatting. You could change the background color of the banner here. You've got your title. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go through here and we're going to hyperlink, which will be our affiliate link. So we look for, in this case, the word keto. So what you do is you drag your mouse on that, and then you go up here to the chain link, insert link, and then that long link that you've got from ClickBank, you just copy it in there and then hit apply. And so you go through your article and do that several times using different words, not just keto diet. It might be keto tips, because they're different keyword phrases. So you go through there, you've formatted your article, you've put some beautiful looking images. Now you've hyperlinked with your affiliate link. And that's, people will come read this, click on those because they know what a hyperlink looks like, and they'll be taken to your affiliate offer. So we're all done. The last thing to do is we go over here to publish, which will bring up a box to name your website. Now, it'll be something sites.google something. Now, you may not get that keyword, like keto diet I can guarantee will be gone, but you might put keto diet tips 101. As long as you've got some keywords in that phrase, something that you can click on publish, and then your site will be live. And here, you'll see here what I'm meaning. So let's just put keto diet, and you'll see that that is gone for sure. And yes, this is a great address, but it's already gone. So let's put something stupid so that you can see keto diet 001. And you can see down there below where I've typed, that will be the address of your website. And then you just click on publish, and we're not going to do that. That link there is where you will promote your Google site as your landing page. So when you promote it, you use this address here, and people will come to that, see your article, which has got the links back to your affiliate product. And look, Yahoo Answers will love this because they won't block you because you're going to a page that is unique and it's not directly to affiliate offer. So you're all compliant with Yahoo. Now, where are we going to get content? We head back on over to Yahoo Answers, and we go through here and we look for questions that people want answered. Let's say keto. How much raspberry keto should I take? General formulas. Does raspberry... So you can see all those. Now, don't worry if you don't have the answers. I'm going to show you where you can copy and paste from another website the details that you will use to answer these questions. So continue to go through and find people asking different questions related to whatever your topic is. In this case, our topic was keto. And then you're going to answer them. When you're starting out, you could come to Yahoo Answers before you even choose a product, before you build your landing page, and you could look at, search some answers. You might have a look at ClickBank. You see some products. You come here to Yahoo Answers and put in a question and see, is there lots of questions to be able to answer? Have they got lots of relevant questions that people are asking that you can answer? And then that might, help you decide on a product. When you go back, you have a look at the gravity, and what the gravity is in ClickBank is, if it's got a gravity of 400, which the keto diet did, which that means that it's had 400 affiliates make at least one sale in the last 30 days, which means it goes to show that there is, a lot of demand for it. Otherwise, people wouldn't be selling it. Now I'm just going to click on anyone, but we're going to answer a question. It's as simple as you just click on answer, the big blue answer button. Now here's where this website is very smart. So here, to get your content, before we're going to do that, you can see here, what is your source? What you're going to do is go back, get your link from up here, from your Google site, go back and copy and paste that into there. Now, for the rest of to get the answers, we're going to go over here to a website called Quora. There's two websites that we'll use, Quora, and the other one is a website called Medium. And all we're going to do is copy the question that we're answering back on Yahoo Answers. We're going to type that into Quora. Up here, I'll just type in keto. It's not actually a question, but you'll see all these answers come up. All right, so we're just going to click on one of these. You can see what we're going to do. Instead of copying and pasting that whole article, we're going to go to one answer and we're going to copy and paste some of that. You can see it's already had 100 answers. So we're just going to highlight, say copy and paste a portion of that, take that back to our Yahoo answer. We're going to go to another answer, copy and paste a portion of that, put it back there on our Yahoo answer. We're going to format it, make sure it makes sense. Just make sure that, it makes sense and that it's good quality and it really does answer what that question is. That's what will have people read your answers. And then obviously the more people that read your answers, the more people will click on your affiliate links. And don't just answer one question. So you've done all that, you've formatted, and with the link of your Google Sites here, that's what will have people read your article, not that. But when people read your article, and it's a good quality article, that's what will have them click on the link that shows up back to your article. And then you just click on submit and go through and do this 5, 10 questions. And it might take a few days or a few weeks to get some momentum. The real secret, or not secret, but the trick to this is to be consistent, to post regularly. And that, my friends, is how you can copy and paste to earn $100 a day, $150 a day as an affiliate marketer. And I hope you've enjoyed the step-by-step tutorial. Now, if you've got value from this, click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified, and look, comment below, I like this, or I've read this, or you've got questions. Leave a question in the comment section and I answer them personally. Not like some websites where they have a VA that answers things. I personally do that. I'm here to help and serve you.